Good morning, computer science. Here in this video lecture, we are going to understand the searching process in a binary file. As you know, binary file, it is a combination of objects. Objects we can say in the binary file you can see lists are there, tuples are there, or dictionaries are there. Yes, you can store a string also in the binary file, but mostly the software developers use the binary file to store list or tuple or dictionary. Right here, our today's video lecture it is based on how to search specific records in a binary file. As you know, for search something, it means the concept is related with read the file. Search कब करेंगे? When you are going to read the file data, then only you have to find that the specific condition record it is there in the file or not. Right? So here, searching all the searching related queries are based on reading a file. Clear? Here you can see the board is divided into three different parts. And here in this today's lecture, we will discuss about two different binary files. Just see the image of these two binary files. Very first, abc.dat. It is a binary file. It is created already inside the hard disk, and this file stores records in the list format. Just see. Square bracket is there, it means the data that is there inside the file, it is based on the list object, right? So here, suppose in the question says that the abc.dat file contains 500 records of the particular list, and here just see what is there in the list. It is also there in the question paper, no issue it is. Here at the very first one name is given. The list is divided into three data members, right? First data member it is a name, Raj. Second one it is either we can say age 21, and the third one it is percentage. Clear? It is there clearly in the question paper that the list contain name, age and the percentage of the student, right? Do not confuse here. So abc.dat file a stream of list object, and this file contains near about 500 records. Now what is the question? Searching the question कैसे आएगा वो देखो. Here आपको ये बोला गया now filter or show only those records from the file they are having more than 80% marks. Right? It is a simple question. ऐसे रिकॉर्ड इस फाइल से शो कर रहे हैं जिन बच्चों की परसेंटेज 80 या 80 से ज्यादा हो. Done. Now just see here. If you see the list properly, name, age and percentage, right? The very first data member of the list, it is at 0th position. तो इसको अपन बोलते हैं list 0. It is list 1 and list 2. अब यही चीज समझने की है in which particular data element you are going to process. List 0 यहाँ तो name है. List 1 age. If the question is related with age, जैसे आपको बोला होगा इस पूरी abc.dat file just find those records, those student record they are having age more than 20. तो आपका कॉन्सेप्ट किस पे जुड़ता है? लिस्ट 1 के ऊपर. लिस्ट 1 फर्स्ट पोजीशन, 0th position, then 1 position. Right now the concept is related with percentage, and the percentage is there at the second position of the list. Clear? 0 1 2. Done. इतनी सी. Now how we can create a program to filter only those records? देखो, very first import pickle. Done. Pickle module is imported, included in your program. Now second pp is a file variable, and here I linked this file variable with the abc.dat file. Just see, open abc.dat rb. क्या होगा? abc.dat file is there in the hard disk. Now one variable is reserved for this file, and the name of this variable is pp. कहाँ बनता है ये variable? It is there inside your computer's memory. Now the file is going to shift inside the variable, and then the whole data is here inside the RAM, inside the file handler. Done? File copy paste हो चुकी है. Now your work is based on this pp variable only. Done? Now just see here आपको बोला गया the file contains data in the list format. Then क्या किया मैंने? I just created one empty list variable. REC is my variable name, and here no data is there in the square bracket. It means it is empty list. Done? Now एक मैंने variable और बनाया count. ये भी बोला जाता है कई बार. Show the data of the student. They are having more than 80% marks, and also count how many records are there related with this specific condition. तो अगर record count करना है, for that you will just create one count variable here. Count starting value of count is 0. Done? Now just see this while loop. ये कुछ अजीब सा लगेगा. While true. What is the meaning of true? True means here we know that with the while loop we apply a condition. मालूम है तो 11 में पढ़ा था. Now if the condition is true, then computer execute the while loop. If the condition is false, तो computer उस while loop में enter ही नहीं होता. ये भी 11 में पढ़ा था. So here while true means what? ये तो loop कभी रुकेगा ही नहीं. Infinite loop. हमेशा कंडीशन ट्रू है, फॉल्स कभी होगी नहीं. मैंने तो उठा के ट्रू लिख दिया. सो इट इज द एग्जांपल ऑफ इनफाइनाइट लूप. ये लूप चलता रहेगा. रोकेंगे कैसे? अब बात ये, अगर यहाँ पे आपने ट्रू लिख दिया तो इट इज इनफाइनाइट लूप. हाउ यू कैन ब्रेक द प्रोग्राम, राइट? वी नो दैट फाइल कंटेन्स सम रिकॉर्ड एंड वी आर गोइंग टू रीड द रिकॉर्ड वन बाय वन. We are going to read the object one by one, right? अब क्या होता है? When your computer read the whole file, it is there at the end of the file. उसको बोलते हैं EOF position, right? If you are going to read your file by using while loop, जैसे फाइल खत्म होती है, होते ही end of file error आपके सामने शो होता है, right? Now उसी को हम हथियार बना के और इस लूप को टर्मिनेट करेंगे. Now just see. Try except what is there in except EOF error. जैसे फाइल का डाटा खत्म हो जाए, जैसे EOF error रेज होते यहाँ पे मैंने लिख दिया break means what? It is a loop terminator means जैसे फाइल खत्म होगी ऑटोमेटिक while loop टर्मिनेट हो जाएगा. and you are here just below these statements that are there with the while loop. अब just after the while loop, right? ये प्रोसेस होता है फाइल रीड का. Now while true and here try and except. In the previous video I told you about this try, what is try and what is except. Try means computer is going to try all these statements, and if any error is there, कोई भी एरर रेज होता है, किस तरह का एरर? एक्सेप्ट में लिख दो. एंड ऑफ फाइल एरर रेज होता है तो कंप्यूटर सीधा एक्सेप्ट में आएगा, फाइल को क्लोज करेगा, while loop को ब्रेक, and you are outside from the while loop. Clear? So now here with this try, my first command, just see the very first command with this try. While true, then try, then rec equal to pickle.load pp. Load is a function. The function is there in the pickle command, and what is the use of this function? By this function we can read the file content one by one, right? तो जैसे मैंने pickle.load pp किया, and when you open your file at the very beginning, your file pointer is there at the 0th position of the file. Just see, your file pointer is here. Now if you execute the command rec equal to pickle.load pp, rec, it is a list variable. कैसे? ये देखो ये list, right? And the rec variable is created inside the computer's memory like this one. ये मेरा rec वेरिएबल है, एंड जैसे कंप्यूटर इस फाइल से डाटा लोड करेगा, करते व्हाट इज देयर इन rec वेरिएबल? द वेरी फर्स्ट रिकॉर्ड. ये देखो इधर raj इट इज देयर एट द वेरी फर्स्ट पोजीशन. 21 इट इज देयर, एंड देन 86.9 it is there in the rec variable. It is 0th position, 1 position and 2nd position. This is the list variable, right? Now when you execute this line, computer read the very first object that is there in the file. वो first object इसने क्या किया? फाइल से उठाया, rec variable में आपके उठा के लोड कर दिया. pp variable is also there in the RAM, rec variable is also there in the RAM. Now if you want to filter the record, the data, किसके ऊपर filter करना है? Based on the percentage. Here percentage is there at REC2 and our object is, our question is, filter the records they are having more than 80% marks. तो अभी मैंने क्या किया, रिकॉर्ड लोड हो गया REC में, just see, just after this, if REC2 means what, this one, REC2 greater than equal to 80.0, if condition, यहाँ पे कंप्यूटर आएगा, पहला ही रिकॉर्ड हुआ है, पूरी फाइल बाकी पड़ी है, भूल जाओ उस फाइल को. Right now only first record, your file's first record is there in the REC and you are going to process on this variable. ये if REC2, 2 means percentage, age का क्वेश्चन आता, REC1 कर देते, right? Greater than equal to 80, जैसे 80, देखो condition true होते ही computer is here inside the if. प्रिंट REC मीन्स व्हाट, अगर मैं मॉनिटर देखूं, मेरे मॉनिटर पे सबसे पहले प्रिंट हो गया RAJ 21 and 86.9, दिस इज देयर ऑन माय कंप्यूटर्स मॉनिटर. पहला रिकॉर्ड था, फर्स्ट रिकॉर्ड ओनली. नाउ काउंट इक्वल टू काउंट प्लस 1, सपोज वन काउंट वेरिएबल इज आल्सो क्रिएटेड इनसाइड योर कंप्यूटर्स रैम. पहले 0 था, अभी काउंट 0 सेट के, राइट नाउ द वैल्यू ऑफ काउंट इज 1. राइट, यहाँ पे 0 था, जैसे पहला रिकॉर्ड मिला, काउंट वैल्यू इज 1. डन, फर्स्ट प्रोसेस. नाउ इट इज अ व्हाइल लूप. वापस रिपीट हुआ, वापस रिपीट मींस व्हेन योर कंप्यूटर रीड द फर्स्ट ऑब्जेक्ट कंप्लीटली, नाउ द फाइल पॉइंटर, नाउ द फाइल कर्सर, इट इज देयर एट द बिगिनिंग ऑफ द सेकंड रिकॉर्ड. राइट, नाउ अगेन व्हाइल लूप चला, वापस ही ये कमांड REC इक्वल टू pickle dot load pp. Now at the second attempt, computer is going to fetch the second record of the file और उसको उठा के REC में लोड करेगा. Means the previous value that is there with this REC variable, it is removed now and the new value that is ROMI, here it is ROMI, it is inserted in the variable, then 18, then 92.6. done, second record. Now again if REC to 92.6, आपने condition 80.0, condition is satisfied. Now this ROMI record, it is there on the monitor, ROMI, then 18, then 92.6. क्यों monitor पे आया? Print REC, right? Then count equal to count plus 1, कंप्यूटर यहाँ पे कर दिया 2 records कंप्यूटर find किए, so count आपको record बता रहा है, 2 records are there. Done. Then again while loop, infinite while loop. Then जैसे कंप्यूटर ने second record read किया, now the cursor of your file pointer of your computer, it is there at the third record. Again the same process. Now the third record data, it is loaded in this REC, and what is the data here? The third record name is Mehul, age is 17 and the percentage is 47.9. This record is there with this REC list. Again, if REC2 greater than equal to 80, no, it is not greater than equal to 80. The percentage is 47.9. तो अभी कंप्यूटर इस if में नहीं जाएगा. नहीं गया means what? Now the record, it will not display on the monitor. The counting, it will not update it. if में गया ही नहीं, गया जाता तो प्रिंट होगा, right? So the process continues till the end, or your computer is going to filter those records that are having more than 80% marks, right? अब ये पूरा काम हो गया. यहाँ पे आ जाओ, except EOF error. Once your file is end, computer reaches, computer display EOF error. Just see EOF, all are in capital. Error, E, it is also in capital. Double ROR, it is there in the small letter, right? No space is there in between the word. Done. Except EOF, PP dot close, break. Break means your infinite loop is terminated now. When the file is at the ending position, automatically computer shift here, file is closed. Break means you are there just after the while loop. Done. Now here, if count equal to 0 means what? Count variable, just see the count. Yeah, कई बार ऐसी भी कंडीशन होती है when no record is there that satisfy your condition. कोई भी रिकॉर्ड नहीं मिला कंप्यूटर को जिसके मार्क्स 80 से ऊपर हो, परसेंटेज 80 से ऊपर हो. At that time, if count equal to count की वैल्यू क्या रहेगी? It remains 0 only. count implement का और increase का और it is there inside the if only, right? If no record is there that satisfy your condition, so computer if में तो गया ही नहीं throughout the file, गया ही नहीं, it means what? Count remains 0. Now if count equal to 0, it means what? No record found, right? And on the other side, if count is having a value other than 0, देखो 0 से शुरू हुआ था 1 2 3 इंप्लीमेंट होता रहेगा, अभी भी अपन चेक करते हैं राइट नाउ our count variable is having two value, 0 तो नहीं है, इम्प्लीकेट तो ही है. So here else 0 नहीं तो कुछ और हो, else print total records are at the count value. Suppose 10 records are there, they are having more than 80% marks, तो count variable में 10 रहेगा. And here आपके सामने मैसेज क्या आएगा? The message is total records are and here 10. Very simple, right? The full program, the whole program, it is based on the list object. Right, now we will discuss about the second file. Name of the file is pqr.dat. And just see the file. The file contains dictionary data. Here just see, it is the dictionary. Dictionary means what? Just see the curly bracket is there. The data is enclosed with the curly bracket, and here dictionary. Here the first one, dictionary, is a combination of key plus values. Name, it is the key of the dictionary. Value, it is SKM. Age, it is the key of the dictionary. Value is 21. तो इसमें तो प्रॉब्लम ही नहीं है. Key and value. आपको कोई भी क्वेश्चन आ जाए, suppose the question is according to the pqr.dat file, the question is filter those records they are having more than 18 years age. राइट, ऐसे रिकॉर्ड जिनकी एज 18 या 18 से ऊपर हो, केवल वो डेटा हमें चाहिए, बाकी फाइल का कोई डेटा नहीं चाहिए. Yeah, now just see how you can implement this program. Here the first line is same, import pickle, it is same, pq open. Now here पहले तो क्या था, in this program we worked on abc.dat file. Now here pqr.dat, it is the file is open in the binary mode. Done. Now the very first change, just see, if list are there, तो मैंने क्या किया था, I just created an empty list variable. If the data is there in the dictionary format, then I just created a variable empty with empty dictionary. Done. Count equal to 0 the same, while to it is the same, infinite loop, example of the infinite loop. So you have to terminate the loop manually when your file reaches at end of file. तो ये loop terminate हो रहा है यहाँ by using this break command. Now just see, try same, reading is also same, rec equal to pickle.load pp. Now just see here, वहाँ क्या लिखा था, rec2 greater than equal to 80.0, right? We work with the position here in the dictionary. बहुत ही easy हो गया, आपकी position तो ही just see, key and values are there. We will work on the age key here. तो मैंने सीधा क्या किया, rec age, it is the key of the dictionary, greater than equal to 18, it is my condition. I want to show those records they are having more than 18, equal to or more than 18 years old. Right? Now the same if print rec count equal to count plus 1, except UF error, pp close break. The whole program is same. Just see this one if and this one. Only two changes are there in these two programs. Clear? So these programs are related with search a specific record from the file. In the next video, we will discuss about how to filter a file based on a specific condition and how to create another file. Let's say a simple example. Suppose a file abc.dat, it contains the record of the student. Here just see the record. You have to filter 90 plus achievers from the file and store these records into another file. Right? We will discuss, we will work on that except in the next video lecture. Okay? Thank you very much. Thank you.